Join the Numberblocks as they plant, grow, and discover numbers in a colorful garden adventure. 1. One's planting seeds with care.
Today's the big one. I'm going to count higher than I've ever counted.
2. Choose growing a colorful garden.
Me and you. It has 1, 2, 2 windows.
3. Three's digging in the garden today.
Look at a bunch of things, say some numbers, and then say
4. Four's watering the flowers bright.
Big, bad, square. Rar.
5. Five's tending to the garden happily.
1. Count everything once. Try counting
6. Six is picking fresh veggies today.
I am 6, and I'm playing in the sun, playing games.
7. Seven's making the garden bloom.
I am 7, and I'm playing in the sun, making rainbow.
8. Eight's planting numbers in the soil.
'Being Octoblock is my idea of fun. Octoblock run.
9. Nine's helping the garden grow.
'Yes, I'm a square, like you.
10. Ten's enjoying a garden adventure.
2 gamers throwing 2s. You be reds, I'll be
11. 11's picking flowers with a smile.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
12. 12's arranging blooms in a row.
Time for this super rectangle to get in shape.
13. 13's chasing butterflies around.
I don't have a partner. Unlucky me.
14. 14's planting sunflowers tall.
I picked 12.
Time for this super
15. 15's carrying a basket of veggies.
15 here. I'll be your partner.
Oh,
16. 16's raking leaves into piles.
I mean no trouble, but have you seen me carving?
17. 17's trimming bushes neat.
Some painters paint splatters. Some painters
18. 18's pulling weeds away.
now that was a speedy escape.
19. 19's gathering herbs to dry.
Do this. 2 by... Oh.
20. 20's sharing fruits with friends.
Okay, the next act after 25 is 30, and 30.
21. 21's planting tiny tree seeds.
2 blocks wide leaves an odd block on top.
22. 22's watering the new sprouts.
2. I'm 20 and 2.
23. 23's spreading flower petals.
And I'm happy being me.
And at the end of the day,
24. 24's trimming the tall vines.
First, to give them a chance to run and hide. See?
25. 25s. Picking juicy red tomatoes.
Everyone in the family of fives is...
26. 26 is carrying fresh green leaves.
I get it! You need someone to carry around 13.
27. 27's planting colorful flowers.
To be in Cube Club, you need to be able to...
28. 28's pulling out the weeds.
Wait, who did I give it to?
29. 29's sprinkling water on plants.
Nice having something to show I'm a member. Are there any more clubs I can join?
30. 30's sharing the garden harvest.
30! It's showtime!
40. 40's spreading flower petals.
10 fours. And this is the 10th beach hut.
41. 41's planting bright yellow marigolds. 42. 42's watering the thirsty soil.
I'm 42. Sorry to drop in on you like that.
43. 43's picking fresh green beans. 44. 44's tying up the climbing plants. 45. 45's carrying a basket of flowers. 46. 46 is sweeping leaves off the path. 47. 47's planting rows of carrots. 48. 48's spraying water on the buds.
I'm 48. I've got 8 chunky 6s.
49. 49 is spraying water on the buds.
All systems checking out. 7 by 7. Wish me...
50. 50's sharing flowers with everyone.
Right time. 10 buys. Rock and roll.
51. 51 sharing veggies with friends today. 52. 52's watering the soil with care. 1's dressed to impress. 4 for looking sharp and stylish.
We've been here before.
Rule 3.
3 stepping out in style.
Welcome to my new stampoline.
6 is as fashion look. 1,000 minimalistic and bold. 20 double the style.
See, which hut's mine? I'm 2 10s.
8 sporty with a pop of color.
This is my castle.
2's zooming through the stars.
1 2 paths.
3's ready for a space mission.
Binoculars. Oh, some...
4's exploring the galaxy.
I'm the first of the friendly 4s. So the first...
5's floating among the planets.
hope I get lots of customers. High five!
6. Sexes on a cosmic adventure.
Yep, just me. Definitely not 3.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.